Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to strap a kayak on top of your car using this WooWave rack setup I bought off Amazon. The first thing you want to do is open all four doors. You don't necessarily have to do this, but you're going to have to open all four doors at some point, and it's just easier for me to already have them all open. Next, you're going to take the racks out of the packaging. Now I'm going to lay the racks over the top of the car. You're going to want to make sure that they're as parallel to each other and the car as possible. And now you can go ahead and feed the strap through one side into the other side. The strap that goes under the door into the car and straps the actual rack into place. And then you're going to feed it through the little clip there and pull it tight. And then you're going to do the same thing for the next one. Once you've got them both strapped on there, you can go ahead and close this side of the door. Just be careful to make sure that the door isn't going to slam into that clip and damage the door or the roof. Now we're ready to set the kayak on top. Do it very carefully, not to scratch up the roof or anything. Try to get it on top of those racks and just slide it across into place. You can try to get it centered or maybe off to one side if the antenna is in the way, like on mine here. You can just push it to one side of the antenna if you want. And then it also helps to make sure that you have the kayak pretty centered from front to back here. As you can see, I'm using the handle there as a reference to the center of the kayak, and I just pushed it back to center it up. So now I'm ready to throw these straps over the top of the kayak to the other side so that I can strap the kayak down. And it's pretty similar to strapping the roof rack onto the car itself, except for it's a little bit harder because you kind of need to hold the clip in your hand while you're pulling the strap tight. And you're going to want to make sure that it is really tight. You don't want the kayak going anywhere, so I pull it until I can at least see the kayak compressed down onto the roof rack. So once you have the kayak strap down, you can either shut the strap into the door or tie it off onto the back strap there if it's in the way while you're driving. And so that's how you strap a kayak onto your car using those little roof racks there.